Start.
Good morning, ma'am. Here I go with the introduction. The Indian Premier League is one of the most popular cricket tournament in the world. Managing the IPL data manually is difficult because it includes information about teams, plays, matches, and venue scores, umpires, and the tournaments. An IPL database management system helps to score, organize, investigate, and manage all cricket-related information efficiently using the database. And this system is useful for maintaining the player records, managing the match schedules and scores, tracking the team performance, generating statistics and reports, reducing the data redundancy and the errors. Here I go with the problem statement. Managing IPL tournament data manually creates the several problems such as difficulty in a strong, large amount of a match data duplication and inconsistency, and low retrieval of the player and the match details. Errors in maintaining scores and statistics, difficulty in generating reports and rankings. Therefore, centralized IPL database management system is required to manage all IPL operations efficiently and accurately. And here I go with the objectives. The main objectives of the IPL database management system are to store IPL team and the player details systematically, to maintain match schedules, results, and the scorecards, to manage venue and the umpire information, to generate reports such as the point table and the player statistics, to reduce data redundancy through normalization, to improve data security and the retrieval speed, to provide secure and efficiently data management. And ER modeling main entities and somehow will be explained by Devika.
Then coming on to the ER modeling. Now I'm going to explain you about the ER modeling. ER stands for Entity Relationship Model. It shows entities, attributes, and the relationship in our database. In our database, we have used the entities that is the team, player, game, and injury record. And the team entities contains the team name, city, and the coach. Player entities contains the player name, position, and the skill level. And the relationship contains a player belong to a team, and a player can be captain of a team. Team play games and player injury records are maintained. So ER modeling gives a clear structure before creating the database. And then coming on to the schema diagram. The schema diagram of our IPL database management system. A schema diagram shows how tables are connected in the database. In our project, we have mainly 5 tables. That is team table. It stores the team information such as team ID, which is the primary key, and the team name and a city. And then coming out to the player table, it stores a player details such as player ID, player name, role, and player ID, which is a player ID is a foreign key. And one team have many players, so it is a one-to-many relationship cardinality. And match table, this table stores the match ID, team 1 ID, team 2 ID, match date, venue, winner team ID. And statistics table stores player performance in each match, runs scored, wickets taken. And score table, coming on to the score table, it stores the runs, wickets, overs. So this schema helps us organize and connect all the IPL data efficiently. Coming on to the normalization, so normalization is a process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve consistency. So we use a 3 normalization form in our IPL database management system. So which is the first normalization form? All the values are automatic, no repeating groups. Example, each player record is stored separately. And second normalization form, database is already in 1NF, so the partial dependency is removed. Example, team details and the players details are stored in separate tables so that to reduce the confusions. And coming on to the third normal form, database is already in 2NF, transitive dependency is removed. Example, venue information depends only on the venue ID. Normalization improves the database efficiency. And then coming on to conclusion, I conclude that our IPL database management system is an effective solution for managing managing cricket tournament data. This system helps us to store information about teams, players, matches, venues, and scorecards. By using ER modeling, schema diagram, and normalization, we reduce data redundancy and improved the data accuracy. So this system provides fast data retrieval, better security, saves time and makes tournament management easier and more reliable. Thank you.